Okay, this is the start of the Honopu Trail with Denise Cordero and
Tyler.
Okay.
Because there's, you know, supported and unsupported. Neil, careful.
I'm filming. Go ahead, go around me.
Neil almost fell off the cliff.
There's a lot of ferns here. Okay, I'm in fern hell. Ooh. Okay, made fern hell worth it. We hiked along this ridge from left to right. Okay, we're in the last 4/10 of a mile, but this 4/10 of a mile is going to put us on that ridge, and I think we're going down there. In case you can't tell on this video, that's 3,000 feet down to that valley down there.
Now no kill aloha mahulawa. Hey oh, hey alai. Elena oe, eku aloha. Hey ala, hey hoila. Ele bu Kaua'i ka vela ke ka huku hoa. Eku ilima, me hana olo bune poho ilo. Hey ala, hey hoila. Hey ala, hey hoila. Eo imai ne. Ila loe oe ne. Hey ala, hey hoila. Hey ala, hey hoila. Makala mua pahaya oe. Hiipoi nai e mine.
This is where I break out the peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Here, you're on video. I'm on video.
Now you're on video, Neil.
Thank you.
Honey, please be careful.
Of course I will. Hi, Mom. It is now raining. Storming. Denise, raise your stick so we can see you. Your stick, there she is. Okay, now jump up and down so we can see. And smile at the top of your jump. One more time. If you listen carefully, you will hear the rain. We've come to the end of the glorious Honopu Valley Trail. We have one survivor, two survivors. Do we have a third survivor? We all made it out.
Havana, home